Hi 4G students, welcome to another video. Today is Friday and we have another math lesson. So just let me go ahead and change the screen right here. So the first thing that I want to do is review the homework with you. So this is what you had for homework yesterday. Your job was to find the measurement of the angles. You had to do a subtraction, right? So just let's go ahead and see the first one. In order to get the measure for angle TRS, you needed to subtract 180 minus 54, right? And that's how I got 126. Of course, you need to do the regrouping here. The 0 becomes 10, the 8 becomes 7, 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 5 is 2, and you bring down the 1. You pretty much do the same thing over here. In order to get the measure for XVW, you do a subtraction, 180 minus 76. You do the regrouping really quick. The 0 becomes a 10, the 8 becomes a 7, so 10 minus 6 is 4, 7 minus 7 is 0, and you bring down the 1, and the measure of that angle is 104. So guys, those are the answers. Thank you to all the students that have been doing the homework. Thank you, and we're gonna keep working like that. I wanna be giving you homework and you put your answer in the comment section. So once again, thank you to the ones that have been doing the homework. Thank you. So what do we have for today? Today we have a quick easy lesson. Today's gonna be like a review. Today we're gonna be rounding numbers. So the topic for today is rounding numbers. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to see, I know we have a lot of numbers around this picture, but the first thing that I want you to see is the actual visual that I have on the middle of the page, because we're going to be using this one to remember or to remind us that digits that end with 1, 2, 3, and 4 go down, and the digits that have 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 go up. Okay, so you can use this visual. You can pause the video if you want, so you can use this visual for the homework. Okay, so once again, 1, 2, 3, 4 go down, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 go up. Okay, so here around the visual I have, let me say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So I'm gonna start with the first one. The number that I have is 2,353. Okay, before I do anything, I have to read the instructions, and the instructions say round to the nearest 100. Okay, keywords right here, so I'm gonna put the keywords round to the nearest 100, right? Okay, so I have the number 2,353. Okay, the first thing that I want to do is to be able to find the hundreds, right? So here are the ones, tens, hundreds. So I'm going to circle this number. Be careful here. When you round numbers, you need to look on the number on the right, which is the 5. Okay? So let me repeat that again. When you are rounding numbers, you find the digit that they are asking you for, then you look on the number on the digit that is on the right. On this case, it's a 5. So what do I need to do with the number 5? Yes, it goes up. So it's gonna look something like this: 2,000, comma. Since I'm going up, the 3 now it's gonna become a 4, and the 10s and the 1s become a 0. So the new number is 2,400. Okay, good. So we are done with the first one. So for the next number, we have 10,491. So before I do anything else, let's go ahead and read the instructions together. And the instructions say round to the nearest 10. So keywords right here, round, nearest 10. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and find the tens. Really easy, right? So ones, tens. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna circle the tens, and we are gonna do the same thing that we did with the first one. Now that I found the tens, I'm gonna look on to the digit on the right, which is a 1. Okay, just remember, digits with 1, 2, 3, 4 go down. That means that all these numbers are gonna look pretty much the same, right? But now the 1, what's gonna happen to the 1? It's gonna become a 0, right? Okay, so the number is 10,490, and I just leave it like that. Okay, good. So let's go ahead and do the next one. The next one says round to the nearest 1,000. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for the keywords round, nearest 1,000. Good. Okay, so the number is 13,823. So the first thing that I want to do is to find the thousands. Okay, so here I have the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So I'm going to circle the digit that is on the thousands, right? But now I have to look to the number on the right, which is the 8. Be careful here, pay attention, the digit is 8. So what happens to the 8? Yes, it goes up. So this one, the 1 stays the same, but now the 3 is gonna go up. It's gonna be a 4 now, and the last 3 digits are actually, yes, 0, 0, 0, right? So the new number is 14,000. Good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one. So the next one says round to the nearest 100. So keywords right here, round, nearest 100. And the number that I have is 8,640. So I'm gonna find the hundreds first. So these are the ones, tens, hundreds. So I'm gonna circle the digit that is on the hundreds. Now I'm gonna look on the number that is on the right, which is a 4. And the 4, if I look at the visual, the 4 goes down, right? So the 8 stays the same, comma, the 6 stays the same, and the last 2 now become 0, 0, because we are going down. And the new number is 8,600. Good. Let's go ahead and do the last one. And the instructions say round to the nearest 10. So the keywords round, nearest 10. So really easy, right? Ones, tens. So I'm gonna circle the tens. But I need to be careful because I need to see the digit that is on the right, which is a 6. What happens to the digit 6? Guys, it goes up. So the 3, the same, comma, 8. But now the 4 is going up, just 1. So that means that I need to put a 5 here and a 0 at the end. So the new number is 3,850. Okay, guys? So that was our guided practice. Like I said, if you need the visual, pause the video, come back to it, look at it, because it's going to help you to do the homework. So for the homework, we have 3 numbers. We have the number 7,625. We have the number 6,582, and the number 31,299. Read the instructions carefully, because on the first one you need to round to the nearest 100, on the second one round to the nearest 10, and on the last one you need to round to the nearest 1,000. Okay, so please leave your answers on the comment section. Just put the answers in order. You can put you can put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and just put the answers next to the number. Okay, so thank you. That was the lesson for today. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye bye. I am your teacher, Mr. Gonzalez. Bye bye.